video, we will study conservation of vegetation and wildlife. The need to conserve. Man's economic activities have caused an alarming depletion of the Earth's natural vegetation. Deforestation destroys the natural habitat of many wild creatures. Deforestation also causes serious environmental problems which may threaten the survival of all living creatures, including man. Loss of habitat and reckless hunting have caused a decline in the number of wild animals. Many species have become extinct and many are facing extinction. Those wild animals that have adapted to life near human habitation are at risk. For example, vultures in India and other South Asian countries have been dying of kidney failure after feeding on the carcasses of animals treated with the drug diclofenac. Carcasses of animals means the dead bodies of an animal. Vultures are natural scavengers. Due to their disappearance, carcasses lie rotting in dumps in many areas, causing environmental problems. Forest fires, a threat. Forest fire, also known as wildland fires that go out of control. Forest fires usually happen in hot and dry weather. Forest fire may result from natural causes such as lightning or volcanic eruptions. There are various ways in which a man-made forest fire could start. First, the snapping of power line. Second, the dropping of a lighted match or cigarette. Third, the careless use of machinery. Fourth, leaving a campfire unattended. Fifth, some forest fires are started purposely by farmers to clear land for farming. Consequences of forest fires. Forest fires kill plants and animals. Forest fire can also spread to human settlement, causing damage to human life and property. Forest fire pollute the air by releasing huge amounts of carbon dioxide and smoke. Some devastating forest fires. In Southern California in October 2007, it destroyed over 1,500 homes. Scorched means damage. Scorched over 2,000 square kilometers of land. Killed several people and injured many others. Prevention of forest fires is possible through regular monitoring from observation tower and crews patrolling the ground. Satellites, aircraft, smoke scanners, etc. are also used for monitoring. Where forest fires are frequent, there should be specially trained firefighting crews. Man-made forest fire can be reduced by making people aware of the ill effects of such fires. The spread of fires can be stopped or slowed down by fire breaks. Fire breaks. A fire break is a strip of land in a forest from which the trees have been removed to prevent a fire from spreading and other things that can burn. If natural fire breaks such as rivers are absent, constructing man-made wide road or trenches. Trenches is a narrow hole that is dug into the ground may help. Biosphere reserves. Some areas which are outstanding in The diversity of their vegetation and wildlife have been recognized as biosphere reserves. Within these reserves, combinations of different types of ecosystems are protected. CITES. Full form of CITES is the Conventional on International Trade in Endangered Species of Wild Fauna and Flora. It ensures that trade in wild animals and plants does not threaten their survivals. It means CITES. CITES protects thousands of species of animals and plants. Animals like tigers, elephants, bears, ostriches, whales, dolphins, etc. and plants like cacti, orchids and aloes. National Forestry Action Program is a long-term plan for increasing forest cover and arresting deforestation. It aims to bring 1/3 of the country's area under tree or forest cover. The people of India celebrate Van Mahotsav every year to encourage then planting of trees. National Wildlife Action Plan govern wildlife conservation and the protection of endangered species. The people of India observe the first week of October as Wildlife Week every year to raise awareness about wildlife.